Good morning, Vivek.
Good morning. What are you doing?
Very good. Market is still the same spot.
Yeah, I did not change nothing. Um, Nvidia earnings was a non-event. Um, because if it moves 2 or 3%, that means it's a non-event, right?
Exactly.
So it did not even move that much. Now it's
What happened
recovering
now?
everything.
Oh, data. It should be the data 8:30, right?
Yeah, there was a data at
What
8:30.
was the data?
I
But
think it was PCI.
I think so. Reaction is looks positive.
Yeah.
Initial claim. Yeah, everything seems better. But the point is that the market's still within the same range. So, that's basically the problem that I guess. Market has to go beyond that breakout point. Otherwise, market is going to stay like this.
Jobless claims is there, and then GDP, uh, sales, GDP, domestic products, price
GDP is
index.
where, yeah, GDP move up, and then deflator is still the same. So, beautiful data. I would just say beautiful data.
PCE, all that was today.
I think it's a lot of noise about what would be the impact of the um, tariffs, and the tariff has an impact on the pricing, but it seems like the corporate are absorbing so far now. Um, it's putting the another leg up. So if you look at here, this is exactly the where it start dropping above 2600. Um, ES is also claiming 6500. So yeah, I mean we look for the uh, long ideas today, provided that um, get the momentum, and if it fails here, then we can look for the short sign. But I think also because the market is stuck, and that's the reason that everything's stuck as well. If you look at the all these stocks are also stuck because the market is stuck. And now, what is the combination of Nvidia to move up on this data, right? There is no link, but it's still going up as well. So, and also if you look at the on this breakdown on the last Monday data, ES is reach out to the all-time high, but NQ is not even reaching close to the above August, July 31st sell-off. So, so that's what basically create the divergence that the NQ wants to come down, ES wants to move back up throughout the time.
Yeah. So July 31st, it sold off and it recovered and then it went down again. Now it's almost there, like on July 31st. It's a little bit away.
Yeah, it's still
87,
away because
87.
the July 31st high is the 223,839, and NQ stuck between 22,400 to 2,600. So almost 250 points away. Today could be the day that it can go above. But if NQ go above 250 points, it's likely means that the NQ ES is likely going to break out.
Yeah, 823, 848. Yep.
And that's basically putting everyone in tough spot because the NQ doesn't participating. ES still want to move up.
Triple Q is up today. And of course,
Right now we see that Slightly up.
Yeah,
NQ,
Amazon.
triple Q and SPY slightly up, and same as the ES and NQ.
Yeah, Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, all are green. Nvidia is a little bit down, like 99 cents. Yeah, everything looks green today.
Yeah, but it's green in a way that it's close to flat. So
Yeah, close to flat. Yeah, it was one of those events, right? That it will.
I I think that the market gonna go better maybe later on. The market waiting for some information. Either market needs to break out. It's just like a 4 day chalk period. So tomorrow is Friday. I think tomorrow is a half day, right?
Probably, yeah, I have to confirm, but yes, probably because of the Labor Day, right?
Monday is off. So I think that when we go into the September, there might be a better days.
But it is not a holiday tomorrow, so it might be a full day, but I can confirm. Friday. Friday, it has wholesale data and it has core PCE Friday.
Friday, yeah, Friday is a but it's a half day or full day. That's important.
That I don't know.
Let's check it out.
I don't think there is a half day.
If it's not the half day, then I think that the Monday next week is a short week then.
Yeah, Monday is a holiday, so futures might still open for half a day, but the market will be totally closed. Um, but yeah, tomorrow I don't think tomorrow 9:30 to 4. It's regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no change for
Okay.
tomorrow at least.
So see nicely consolidating here, 603 and 6500. I think when market's going to open, then we're gonna see what happens here. Good morning, guys, on the YouTube. Please give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the transmission.
The market is still jumping a little bit.
I think the idea is that can ES can break out here because ES is exactly at 6500.
It has almost closed the gap on Nvidia.
Yeah, look like. I think what I really wanted to see the price action is that the way we see the divergence yesterday between the NQ and ES, that the NQ was coming down, ES going up, right? I
Yeah,
wanted to
today there's no divergence.
I wanted to see the divergence today in ES. That ES is not coming down, but ES is very slow, and NQ is much more faster. So NQ maybe ES only cover 5-10 points, and NQ cover 200-250 points.
Yeah, that is possible.
That's basically there could be a good opportunity for to trade, just like right now. There's a 650 orders in the market taking it away. There's no other order after 650 here in the market. NQ doesn't have any order after that.
Yeah.
And neither on the downside, so I don't know what this really means here. Can NQ claim all of these orders?
It's at R3 also.
Or it just took it and then they lifted to 650 to 660 now. I think this is spoofing order, it seems like to me. That they're 650, that price moved to 650, they've quickly moved to 660. And then maybe once it's close to 660, they put a 670. Look at the book map.
Yeah.
That's good that that NQ is going back to the pre-market highs, is creating a nicer range. That will be really helpful as we move along once the market going to open. Um, because what we last thing we want is that the range again doesn't expand or range expand towards the downside, because definitely market has proven that it doesn't want to come down. Ethereum is also up, right? Look at that. How much Ethereum is up? Yesterday, did you see that? CrowdStrike all the way to the 380 and now is all the way back to 425.
Mhm. Yeah.
So, and I'm going to watch the snow. The snow is really strong today.
Ethereum is 4,600.
I think, in fact, if this dips to the 23,640, we should buy here again. If it's dropped to 635 and move back up, I will go long here. If you watch, let's see what happened here. Okay, it's coming into that range. Let's see what happens here. If it holds this level and turn back over 6 3 23 6 363, I'm gonna go wrong. If it's gonna hold this area, I want a quick buyers to come in. Here you go. Buyers are coming in. Let's see what it does. Can it hold close above that? It's not holding.
Yeah, I don't see no orders. That's the problem.
But I think if this is gonna hold, it's gonna make another leg up. So I'm gonna see if we can hold here. Okay, buyers are coming. On. Can they do that?
I think they will take it back to 600.
Not necessarily
Yeah,
that. This move is really
but
strong, and then market is holding over 65.
unless it holds here, of course.
I think so because look at the way market is holding over 6,500 now. ES is not moving down. Market needs to be decisive here. If it's, even if they wanna sell off, they wanna sell off maybe after the market opens.
It's exactly in the same area as yesterday, so
Yeah.
no change at all. Yeah, it dropped to 500 or less than that, little bit, 480, and then jumped back, recovered everything. But it's holding the pre-market high. It's not going above that. At least it hasn't gone up three times in a row since yesterday.
I'm gonna go long over 63.40 third or 23.640. I'm long here. Wish me luck. Come on, don't pull back now. Come on, such a good move. ES is just pulled back 6,500. Okay, return back green again. I'm looking for the pre-market high. That's my target. Right now, it is just between green and red. Come on, go, go, go. Oh, it's rejected again. There was no order there. What happened? It's rejected here again. Did you see that rejection? A big order. Somebody threw the big order there. It's taking forever. That's not good. That setup is not good. Come on, hold it. It's consolidating. Come on. This is another order came back into 63.50 and they removed the order from 63.60. I don't know what they're trying to do that, but definitely turned back green again. We really want this to go from over 40. Both are holding nicely here. Okay, okay, finally start moving. Come on, take the 50s order. Come on. Last time they see again they removed it. Did you see that? The moment the price about to reach it, they removed the 23,650 order and then put it back on 2360. Look at the book map. Look at the book map. Do you see that? Did you see that? Vivek?
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it's like a right now it's pre-market, right? So they're playing around probably.
Yeah, but when we take the profit, I mean, I was such a good trade. I didn't take the profit. They're just manipulating it, doing up and down. Don't do that. Come on. Don't do that. Please, 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 please don't do that. Don't manipulate here.
Today is like a day where after market opens, the real character will show up at that time because of such so many days of holding back, right? Because of Nvidia. So today they should take a direction. That's what I think, and then we can act. Right now they're just because the order book is totally empty. It's just they just bring up an order and remove it and all.
Now they have put a lot of order in 60 and 60 and 65. I have no idea what they're trying to do here.
Yeah.
But I only think this candle doesn't look good. It's 2 minutes remaining in 9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock again. They'll jump it up or down a little bit. Um, so,
This time is going to go over 40. I'm just gonna put my order to break even. If I'm stop out, I'm stop out. But I'm very close to stopping out here again as well. If it's gonna push down. The problem was that it was a really good move, and then suddenly they removed the orders, and then but there's no downside orders as well. So I'm not sure.
yeah, yeah. The book looks totally empty. So I think everyone is kind of waiting for the market open or 9 a.m. Either of the two. 9 a.m. is also there, right?
Yeah,
I don't think there's any big news at 9 a.m. But it's just an
yeah.
hour thing, right? I don't see any news event at 9. The news event is at 10, pending home sales, which is important. And then they have a Kansas Fed Manufacturing Index at 11.
Come on, move up. Come on, come on. Don't, no, 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 no. No sell off. Come on. Push up, 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 up. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Take it. Take it. No rejection this time. Come on. Again, it's getting rejection. Come on. This is not good. If it's gonna reject 36 area. Okay, here you go. Come on. I don't know why it's keep rejecting this area. I don't see any order except the 60, 65. Okay, now it's moving back up. I think this time if it's going a little bit more up, uh, I'm gonna build a break even. Again rejected this area. I think it's rejecting 38. Come on. Either there's a lot of passive sellers sitting there or yeah, it seems weird the way it is failing here without any order sitting in the book map. The last thing I want to hold is to the uh, 9:30 bell. There's something. I think there's something. There's a 9:23 640 which is not able to break.
So that was a resistance before it had the news, right? If you look at the book map,
Yeah, but then it's claim reclaim and there is nothing at the book map.
yeah.
So it seems to me that they are um, um
On the 2 minute, it's kind of forming like lower highs for whatever reasons. And
but on the 5 minute extremely bullish consolidation.
mhm.
Extremely bullish consolidation on the 5 minute. Unless it's going to break under 23 627. Otherwise it's extremely bullish consolidation. It's just accumulation before the next move up.
Probably, yeah. 5 minute is more reliable at this time of the day for sure.
But it said that the whether they can spike back up and down, right? So it can easily stop you out on those spikes. I think that this candle could be the candle where because I really want to see this price action where ES is just slowly holds and NQ accumulates and then move up. That's okay as far as ES is stay above 6500 and NQ quickly start moving a couple of 100 points.
Hmm.
Just like yesterday, but yesterday was market was going down, NQ was going down and ES was holding. We want ES to hold and NQ to come down. Okay, so now I'm break even again. Let's see that. Just thinking that once it's go a little bit up. Okay, here I think that this 5 minute looks really bullish. I hope no reversal. Oh man, this again drop. I wanted to bring to the break even now. The moment I say I'm gonna put break even, it drops again. Come on, little bit up. Okay, I think I'm gonna just close it. I cannot tolerate that. Let's see, but look at this. The ES is now above 6,500. So I'm not sure why I rejected this. ES went above 6,500. So NQ rejection doesn't make sense. Here you go again, moving up. Come on, a little bit more. Once it just go over 45, I'm gonna put the stop loss at the break even because I think that it has a good potential to move over the highs, which is 660. Here you go. ES is now holding 6,500. Come on, one more push. Come on, NQ, you can do it. Here you go. Come on, NQ. Come on. Not even pushing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just hold 40. Come on. 42. Come on. 42, 43, 44. Come on. Here you go. 42. Again. Again. Holding. Come on. Get this good. Moving good. No. It's just a joker. Yes. NQ. When you're in the trade, if you're shorting it, it just moves 600 points against you. Now it's when you're in the long, it doesn't even move 10 points. Come on, go over 42. Come on. Here you go. This time, what do you think, Vivek? Vivek, what do you
Yeah.
think? Guys, anyone? Good morning, Hydrise. I'm long here on the NQ, but it's really giving me difficult time, not moving at all.
You're just playing around in this area. So, but yeah,
Here you go.
there's a big order at 51.
Here you go. Pre-market is a 60. I'm going to put order at 59. Come on.
So it seems they removed the order at 50 now.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. They just keep manipulating it. Come on, just break out. Go, man. Look at the ES is 3 points moved. And NQ didn't even move 3 points. I don't understand, man. This is cheating. Isn't it? NQ ES moved 4 points and ES only moved 3 points. How could it be possible? How could it be possible this?
There would be a big move after the market opens on NQ because it has been holding within a big range in the last 3 4 days, right?
Yeah, you can go over NQ over okay, I'm break even stop out. I cannot tolerate that.
Because there was a big um, what do you call there was a big transfer of money.
Yeah. So I'm
When
stopped out. Guys, I'm stopped out here. Guys, give me a thumbs up on the YouTube, guys. What are you guys doing? No thumbs up at all? Why? Why, guys? What I did to you guys to do that there is no like at all? Where is my thumbs up, guys?
so CNBC reports that Nvidia earnings are seen positive, and Seeking Alpha is saying that Nvidia is still cheap. So
Yeah.
so these kind of because market took some time to analyze the results, right? And so the headline is Nvidia turns positive, pre-market trading as investors buying the dip following earnings report. So I think today it might be again a day where it can move a lot because all
Yeah.
the rotation may reverse back from from ES to NQ because banks went crazy yesterday, and JPM is at 300 now, which is all time high, I think,
Yeah.
300 something. JPM is crazy, like amazing bank. AMD is also high in today, like it is going up.
Morning, Khurshid. Morning, Dan.
Apple is going up.
Guys, those who wanted to use the book map, they can always come to our community on our Discord where we have a live book map. You can come and see. There's a without a delay if you would like to have it. And looking at it, still I did not receive any thumbs up, guys. I don't know why you guys are doing this to me. Come on, give me thumbs up, guys. So if you look at the overall stocks, I guess the overall stocks is really close to flat. There's no momentum, but I think that there is a momentum in the NQ, which is nicely consolidating. And if it doesn't break out now, it might be gonna break out once the market going to open. I tried long; it was a really good move, when it's pulled back here. But there's some manipulation going happening. They bring the order back to 623 650, then remove it, they bring it back, then remove it. Now they put it back. If you look at the book map, they put it back again on 23 650 order. So uh, um, yeah, I mean, it's slowly moving up. It doesn't have the momentum at this point. No hard rise. I mean, these people are online, staying with us. They don't chat. They don't give a thumbs up.
You should invite Hydro Eyes to our Discord channel
I think
first.
he is in. I think he is in channel. Yeah, he's in the channel. Yeah,
He's in Discord now,
yeah, he's in Discord. Yeah.
but why haven't we heard his voice yet?
Oh, but he's not part of the private group. So he's just he joined
Yeah,
us.
we should give him some a few days, I guess, so that we can hear his voice at least, right?
Yeah,
I'm,
sure,
I'm dying to hear his voice.
sure. I think there is here on the 7-day free trial. He can scan and come in. So now I see he's now pushing up. But I was just really tired to hold this. It was such a good, it was moving, but it's just moving so slow. All right, guys. So let's look at the today's plan. I'm tired to hold that. So let's look at the today's plan. Uh, you know, for NQ, for me to go long NQ, as far as the ES can hold 6500, doesn't move too much. But if it's hold 6500, I think there's a fair chance that the NQ can go above, uh, and then retest the prior high, which is 23,800 or 2400. Uh, this price action, if you look at the daily chart, is just been consolidating. Really nice consolidation. So it can fail as well, right? But there is no right now. There is no news which may trigger the failure. And always the news always comes later. But at this point, as far as it's holding um, 6480, right? I think that we should not be worrying about going short or thinking about going short as far as still over 6480. Once it start coming back down under 6460 area, that's where we need to see, okay, is this market rolling over? 6480, 6460 is the area, is a fair bet for us to consider. Now NQ is moving without me, um, and I'm really pissed on it. Look at this move. We went long here and it was just not moving, and now it's moving because they brought the 650 order again. So uh, yeah, so for NQ, if you look at the NQ, it's really nicely consolidating here, right? So very nicely consolidating here. And if we break out over 23,650, we can easily go to 23,700 and then 27,700 to 23. Look at this breakout. I'm not sure it's going to last here, but it should last the way it is moving. But it's just slowly curling. Maybe after the market opens, there may be volume gonna come in, um, and then we're gonna see another leg up. So if you look at it, see ES has moved almost 5 point, close to 6054, and NQ didn't move 10 points. So that's why I'm not sure again the same, slowness in NQ. What I really want that ES stays slow and NQ move fast. That's where we can get the edge and the momentum. Uh, but if NQ going too slow like this, it's just going to be harder for us to trade. Um, Look at this now. Vivek is moving now after stopping it out.
Yeah, it's close to getting close to 9:30, right? So it has to position, take away the money from people who go long, and dip it at just
All
at
right.
the open.
So
Then
I
again,
think so I think that the plan would be very easy. If ES can hold 6,500, we'll look for the long in the NQ to first break out over 23,660, then 23,700, then 2700 to 750. If it's going to continue, if ES can fail to 6,500, then we need to look for that whether we can see a downside move. But now we see that orders started coming in. The new orders are starting building on the NQ book on 23,685 to 23,690. So seems like they're trying to pushing the wall a little bit on the upside, and that they remove the order on 23,660. Look at this, man. I mean, that's exactly the move I was expecting. Look at the move now happen just after 1 minute of closing. So now there is no order between 23,655 to 23,685. So we'll see that what happened. It could be my beautiful trade. Uh, it was really looking good, but it was so slow to move.
it's a good. It's good that it broke R3 and it's holding above the previous high.
Exactly. So yeah, and I think the important would be that the ES can hold 6,500. I think that is the most important thing. I think it's going to soon going to move up. Maybe the first move is going to go up and take 23,690 orders. In these stocks, I'm watching the AMD, and Tesla and Snow. Any question, guys? Yeah, Hydroids. I think that's exactly what I think. That if ES can hold 6,500, and an NQ can hold 23,650 area, then there's a high likelihood that it's going to go and retest 23,700. But if they both fail here, then it may push us down. NVIDIA is coming back down under 180. NQ also dropped a little bit. ES is still holding 6,500. Remember, the VWAP is market is a bit extended from the VWAP. ES again trying to hold 23,640. 2.5 minutes remaining. How many of you guys are watching the book map here? Let me know if you wanted to zoom in and zoom out a little bit, okay? Okay, it's coming, dropping here. This is a big drop for an NQ. Lot of pre-market buying happened between 23,612 to 23,625. If it cannot hold 23,600, then it's gonna drop very aggressively on the downside. Remember, next week is the Labor Day weekend, so it's a slow week, short week, and we also have a data tomorrow. So we have a fair chance that market may, you know, doesn't do anything until the tomorrow, which is the PCE data. So good luck, guys. This is not the trading advice. Trade at your own risk. This is just for education purposes. All right, done, 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 done. First move is coming down. It's holding 23,630. ES is holding 6,400. Market is pushing towards the upside. Ah, really big move. NVIDIA also $4 move. Crazy. This is why it doesn't happen when we were in the trade. Is gonna give any chance or no? Look at this. Oh, it's just a one candle. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's
That's
what I
a,
was saying, that it will, it
it
has,
doesn't saying it because the way it was accumulating it. That's what I was telling you that
yeah,
it's
that's
all
it.
the way to 720. Wow.
It is the day to, it is the day to um, change the direction totally.
Well, I don't know what's going on here.
It went all the way to R4.
Yeah, in just one candle. I'm not trading this, man. I'm not trading this. It's just too volatile at this time. I need a better setup here. See, and he has only moved 10 points. That's what we're really expecting that we don't want the ES to move a lot. Tesla is coming down. Market is coming back down now. Market came back to the previous resistance 64.88. So good is an important area whether ES can fail here. ES is failing 6500 area here. Watch the ES. ES, I'm watching the ES, what it does here. Does it fail here? Today is the day you can blow your account very quickly because NQ one candle is almost 20-25 points. Watch the ES is breaking down again. Watch the ES. Watch here. We can short here if it's gonna go below 64.95. ES under 64.95. I'm short here. If it's gonna go below 64.94, I'm gonna add here. Okay, I'm adding. It's retesting here. Let's see what it does here. Come on, just break down here. Come on. No, don't pull back. It's really holding it here. Come on. Here you go. There's no momentum. Come on. Come on, continue. Just one more push down. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Very nice. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. Did you guys short it in? Did you guys short it in?
I did. I got out early though.
All right, come on. I think this is going to go down. This is the downside move we were waiting for last few days. Um,
So you're still short?
Yeah, I'm still short, but didn't take the profit yet. I should have taken the profit. I wanted to see the break uh, under the S3, but didn't move.
They're selling off Nvidia, so it is possible that it will keep continuing to go down.
The price action is weak, but come on, man, don't do that. Come on, move, 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 move. I need a one spike down. We didn't get the spike yet. It's moving slowly. Come on, give me a one spike. Come on down. Yeah, I think this is a spike. Yes. Come on, it's holding. Come on, just one spike. Come on. Again, spike out. Okay, come on. Okay. Come on. Don't spike. Come on, come on, come on. He's trying to move back up. Come on, that's not a good sign. Come on. I want a one spike down. Come on, it's consolidating here. That's not a good sign. Come on. Basically, under 5 minutes, making a bottoming tails here. It's making a push up. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. So retesting the pre-market low. Come on, please go, 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 go. NQ is climbing back again. That's not a good sign. Come on, no, 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 don't spike. Come on, push us down. Come on, here you go. Come on, let's make it all the way to new low. Come on, here you go. Come on, new low, new low, new low, new low, new low. Come on, new low, new low, new low. Come on, new low. Not yet, not yet. New low. Come on, come on, new low. Come on, continue, continue, continue. Please continue. Come on, new low. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, that's a bad spike. Come on. That's a bad spike. Come on. Come on, please go. No, 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 no reversal. No reversal. 30 minutes are already over. NQ has moved up the lot.
Even ES has a lot of orders on the top side, so
I have to stop out now, man. On the loss. Shit.
but you entered early, right?
No, I basically traded the option, so I was looking for a move. It was a beautiful trade. Gosh, really not happy. This NQ is really bastard, basically. So it was just a spike. Those who've taken the ES, it could be a good trade. But I took the option, so.
So, what should I put the exit?
The exit, you put your exit of the normal 6480. Yeah, if I've taken the uh, futures, I would just exit there.
NQ is jumping.
Yeah, look at this spike, man. Yes, the NQ just turned it back very
That's,
aggressively.
even ES has a lot of orders on the top side, so it's turning.
I will see what next happen.
It was a good trade. It went all the way to S3.
I made the mistake. I mean, because of the yesterday loss, I just thought that it's going to break under this low, which is the 64, 66. Make the new, because if you look at it, the way it was consolidating, I was thinking another leg down before it reverses, right? So, but because it made too many bottoming tails, couldn't take the profit out. Like, here you go. Now it's pushing down again.
This is consolidation for NQ.
No, it's failing now.
Yeah, but it's above VWAP, right? So
Yeah, and not only above the VWAP, but also if you look at the these are all under the pre-market low. I think that would be the thing which we were wanted, that the ES doesn't sell off and NQ move back up. That may be the case happening right now. But the moment because it moves a lot, so that's thesis failed, right? Initially, we want an ES not to is just to consolidate NQ to move up, but the way NQ moved, it basically that thesis more now become an extended thesis and selling off whole day. So it would be just the higher low, lower high here and fails here. I'm gonna still watching the ES and NQ both if it can fail here. It's maybe they're making lower highs here. Given they moved a lot, um, we need to see that whether NQ can break 23,700 or no. Right now, NQ is just little bit below the from the pre-market high. Let's see what market does. Oh, here you go, NQ failed here. This is a test for the NQ to fail pre-market high or hold pre-market high. But if you look at these stocks, I mean, the Tesla is red, uh, Coin is green, Ethereum is green a little bit.
it's triple Q is green and SPY is red, Nvidia is
Yeah,
red,
that's what I'm thinking.
Netflix
So,
is red,
is,
but Apple is green. I mean, they're barely green, right? Google is jumping.
let's see that NQ, does
It's
the NQ
200.
fail here or no?
It's at pre-market high, and also previous day high is also pretty close. But there are a lot of orders on the top side on NQ, so it can jump anytime also. The setup is forming as if it will drop, but it is also consolidation, right? A little bit. As long as it's above the VWAP, I would think that it is strong.
The problem with this that the underlying stocks are not performing like just like yesterday. It's only buying an index, and ES is not able to break the VWAP, but NQ is above the VWAP. So
So
yeah,
it's rotation
that's what I was saying
probably,
that
right?
it's likely that we want ES to just like yesterday the ES was moving up and NQ was selling off. Uh,
Yeah. Tesla is down for some other reasons. It's because of Chinese EVs and all that.
I made the mistake. I should have taken the profit. It was a huge trade.
Yeah, it was huge. That's when I thought that I exited early, whereas you were persistent, which is good. Because the ES somehow it moves so slowly that it takes away my
But I
patience.
think that I was just thinking that
Um,
it's just gonna drop one more leg, and that's basically ruined my trade. I'm still watching to see that if this area fails here. See, so that ES is not able to claim the pre-market low here. There's a two on the 5 minute 5 minutes. There's a multiple topping tail here. There you go.
yeah, NQ is dropping below the VWAP, so there's a big good chance that ES will also drop.
Fear is that should I take it here and then I don't want to spike back up on me. You know? ESS hold at the pre-market low. I don't know what market wants to do here. ESS wants to fail, and I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. So you need to ask the question. I cannot read the chat all the time. So you ask me the question over the voice. Okay. No, there's always a sound. No, it's always a sound. Are you guys on the Discord? Can you guys hear me? Vivek, can you hear me from the Discord? Can you hear me now? I don't know. Uh, uh, but I'm Vivek, can you check? I think she can't hear me on the Discord. Why? But it sounds
Mm,
to me okay here. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Yeah. So you I didn't do anything change. So yeah, you should hear me here. Okay. No worries, bye. Yeah, market trying to hold here. Let's see. Let's go long NQ if it's NQ break pre-market high, which is 23,660. Okay, I'm long here. It's really failing again. This pre-market high. I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out. I don't want to hold this, man. It's just just a little bit small loss, but I think I'm gonna fine. The 10-point stop loss. The way it is dropping, I think I'm gonna wait a little bit more time. I guess this is not a tradable market. I guess I should have not have traded or taken the quick profit here. Watch this now. It's selling off again. So I'm flat right now. I don't have any position. It's just a crazy stop here. I'm watching the ES. ES is under the pre-market low. If it fails here, it's likely gonna go with the NQ. NQ is also trying to come back down here now. I mean, the way right now it is, it can go either direction. So we'll see that. If both of them fails together, then I'm gonna look for the short. This move is maybe just a lower high move because NQ is unable to reclaim the pre-market high. It's just taking too long here. Here you go, drop coming again. The problem is it's pretend it's dropping, then it's pulled back.
It is in the opening range
Yeah,
still,
and
so
NQ is in open range
and
and
it's a
ES is
double.
below the range. And even
Yeah.
ES is below the pre-market low. The problem is that ES is just move a little bit and then hold back. Move a little bit and then move back.
ES is also in the 30-minute range,
Yeah.
opening
So maybe this
range.
30 minutes
Is that
consolidating in the next 30 minutes would be the sell off. It's almost
yeah.
10:26 basically. Okay, we can short under 64.87 ES. 64.87. I don't want any bounce now.
It's that the NQ is sitting at the bottom of the 5-minute opening range, and it doesn't want to break it down. It creates a topping tail each time it
You know,
comes
it,
here.
it could be the
Sorry, bottoming tail.
lower high price action, but it has to come back down, right? Because see, the underlying strength is not there. Yes, there is a buying happen into the index, but NVIDIA is not buying. So where's the buying happening?
Amazon, Google, Meta.
What's happening to Amazon, Google, Meta? Yeah, but how much?
They're all up today. Not huge. Google is $3,
No, no,
which
what
is good
percentage?
for Google. Okay, I have to look that, but $3 is 1.5%. It's not a lot.
No,
Yeah,
Ethereum
so
is also down.
even NQ is not hugely up, right? It's just a little bit up, 50 points.
Watch now.
NQ
If it's
is
gonna break under
ES is
63, 64.87, I'm gonna go short. But there's only 1 minute remaining in 10:30 as well. Last 10 to half an hour window also put the consolidation mark, and market start moving back up again. Let's see what it does here now. This is the this is the gap up candle. Market V above the VWAP and Q holding VWAP. So you can NQ can ES can break 64.87 here. I don't know. It's not doing anything here. Okay. Can it go below 64.87? Can both came in here. They're holding. We can go long here. NQ. It's gonna break 64.71. We can go long here. Can it hold the 64.71? Can it break 64.71? No, market is not breaking down, breaking out, it's just fading again. So no long idea. Market is not breaking out or not breaking down. Yeah, I mean they're just consolidating. They need a more directional view. Um, right now, this is just chopping between the 5 minutes. You know, if you can look at it, there's a 5 points, close to 5.5 minute range in ES. Nvidia bouncing now. Okay, ES is also breaking out now. Okay, NQ retested 23,700. They're trying to reclaim the VWAP as well. I'm not taking that long trade here. Is just the NQ looks really good for the long side, but it's just that the each candle is really big. It's almost 25, 30 points candle, and I feel like the risk is hard to manage. But it looks good if you guys want to go long here with the risk of 64.88. But it's just that the risk is really high here, given the size of the candles. Each candle is almost 25, 30 points candle, each 1 minute candle, which is huge. Look at the crowd strike, Vic. It went all the way to the 435.
Yeah, it's green.
Yeah.
Yeah, the earnings call might have changed something.
I thought I'm gonna go trade snow, but I just watching futures and I didn't take the snow.
Yeah, it's NQ is now 120 points up, so it's definitely positive. It breached yesterday high. So if it reaches R4, which is 23,720 or 18, whatever you call, then it'll be gone up to 800. But below that, I'm not sure. But it's also in the 5 minute opening range now, at the top of the 5 minute opening range.
So anyone wants to go long can go over 6,700, go long over 700 with a risk of 685, which is 15 points. But I'm not taking it personally. I feel like it's just too volatile today, just moving up and down sharply. So I'm not taking that trade. But if someone wants to take the 15-point risk, can take it from over 700, and stop loss is 683, 685. It's moving good. Just if you're in the trade in the long side, just keep trailing it.
It's touching R4 now.
What happened to Tesla? You're saying there's something, the bad news on the China?
I think Chinese EV makers are selling super cheap everywhere in the world. Um, so Tesla is feeling the pressure. That's what I read somewhere. Because they have, and China is the real manufacturing, right? Everything is manufactured there, so they can sell it
Yeah,
for cheap. There are so many companies there, like XPEV, Neo,
that's true.
BYD, and 100 more. And Chinese government also helps them. So, because I've seen in Europe, they have a lot of Chinese vehicles. So it's not able to reach R4 right now, which is 23718. It definitely breached it before, like it went up to 740, but then, or 745, something like that. But then it's not able to breach again this time. But they had a lot of orders up to 730, so it can.
So if you're in long, which I call out 70, 23, 700, keep trailing the orders. Uh, your your profit, don't lose the profit.
What would be a good trailing for NQ because it moves 4 or 5 points
Yeah,
in every second, right? So 2 3 points at least. It's not like ES, which
no,
doesn't
I
move
think
at all.
it was the today the market is really volatile, especially the NQ. Look at the each candle is almost you know 20, 25, 30 points. It's really hard to manage risk.
Yeah, because all the movement happened as soon as it reached
Yeah,
23 670, 675, and now it's just. I guess it's at the top of the opening range,
yeah.
5 minute opening range. Just sitting there.
I shorted the small size ES here, but I don't recommend because I'm really red today. Um, and it's a back-to-back two red days for me. So I'm just taking very small size, not in a good mood as well. So if this can turn green a little bit, I'm gonna take it off and then call it a week even. I don't want to win trade tomorrow. It's such a ugly days these days. No momentum, no continuation. I really want this to fail here, the opening range. My thinking process is that it might be making a lower high here. You know, even though on the 30 minutes look like extremely bullish, but it's just the lower high structure. Aggressive came down, now moving back aggressively, and now continue the second leg down here. Moved a little bit in my direction. It held the prior day close again, which is 64.93. If I'm right here, it would be a big. It's gonna give a big red candle. If I'm gonna wrong, it's gonna be a, another continuation of green candle here.
It's breaking R4 now. Uh, so I'm trying to break R4 on NQ.
Come on, make the lower high here. Can it fail here? 6500 is also the. I think it's gonna take the $6,500, 6,500 orders. Three minutes before the. Just 3 minutes before 11 o'clock. I think it's taking $6,500. Apple is moving over the highs 232.
And so NQ has broken above R4. If it holds R4, then it might jump.
I don't know, the look is given the size of the candles, I'm not really comfortable doing anything. It may be consolidating. For the next leg up, we need to consolidate. Um, you know,
Yeah.
or the on the ES side, is there any order on the above 6,500?
Yeah, there are orders. But yeah, it's only up to like 6508. Yeah, the momentum was in the first 30 minutes and it was up and down momentum. So, but it really went up super quickly, 100 points.
Yeah,
And it has reclaimed almost that same move, right?
exactly.
V-shaped recovery from 23,600 to 23,700. Moved all the way up. It started at 640 and it went up to 740, then all the way down to 565 or something, 70 in a V-shaped recovery. 150 points move. But it's not holding R4, so yeah. Or maybe it will hold, I don't know. It is below R4 right now. It's not very clear trading, yeah. I agree with you. The first trade that we took was amazing. That NES1, I should have stayed in it. It went all the way.
Dun, 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 dun.
So it's a failed R4 breakout.
Let's say it could be a lower high structure. It might gonna start sell off from here
Hmm.
and a little bit come back down to the VWAP again.
Because it tried two times, right?
Yeah.
Like the first time, of course, it went all the way up, but second time it is low high, and it is a break. It's also like opening range high, 30-minute opening range.
But if the ES breaks out over 6,500, then game is over. Then it's going to be a new highs.
Yep. So should we close the stream? It's 11 now.
Just 5 more minutes and then we can close it.
Yeah, because it's not doing anything. I mean, it can, but right now it's not.
I think
Right.
it's gonna come. It's gonna come down, I guess.
So you're thinking if it doesn't break 6,500, then it will go down.
Yeah, yeah.
It has a lot of orders up to 6,500, which can pull it or it can be a wall also, both.
I think because the structure, even though it's looked like the bullish structure, that is the lower high structure basically,
But NQ doesn't have a lot of orders
or upside downside.
on either side. It's almost empty. The book is
Yeah.
almost
So because
empty.
they wanted to do something.
Compared to ES, NQ book is empty. So on the 30-minute, NQ is kind of consolidating, right? And it is not really going down. It's like a doji, at least for now.
Yeah. I think it was a very bullish candle on 30 minutes. So it makes sense to do the consolidation here.
Yeah.
But I think the main thing would be the ES. Can ES come down below the VWAP? Oh,
Tomorrow is the last trading day of the month, also, right?
yeah.
Because 29th, Friday.
I'm
So,
not. So I'm gonna give you a bit tomorrow, guys. I likely am gonna take the day off. I'm just gonna take the 4 day weekend. I'm gonna see. Anyway, the market is the way it is that I'm really not enjoying the market at all. The market is really where it's hard to figure out what's going to happen in the market.
so Alex is trading a lot of NQs.
And ES is slowly drifting down. But NQ is still holding it.
So NQ, the 30-minute is also turning almost green.
This is a good another leg coming up in the market. Yeah, nice consolidation happening right now. Yeah, I think I'm, yeah, let's say, I think next month would be the better month, more trending. At least even if it's the range month, but it's gonna be better rather than just chop into the inside day range. Still, ES is not able to reclaim 6,500.
I think it's slow rotation, right? Back to NQ. So,
Still, I mean, it's definitely happening, but what I'm not really sure that if you look at it here, this equal weight is not moving that much. We still equal weight is still there. Uh, RSP equal weight is also down for the day. So all
so,
stocks, majority of the stock we see is down. This just a short term divergence, I guess.
so they might be just rotating the chip or the AI related ones, right?
Because even equal weight is Nasdaq equal weight is also red today. If you look at the QQEW,
Yeah. So
it's
equal weight is like equal weight for each, right?
yeah. So
So the
equal,
big one, so
so
the max.
equal no. So equal weight QQEs mean that it doesn't give uh, that the whole Nasdaq 100 is get the equal weight, not the each company just like Nvidia with the market cap.
That's what I
Yeah.
was saying. So if there was they were rotating only in Nvidia and Microsoft and some of those like Google, then it won't show a lot, right? On the equal weight, but it would show on the ES
No, but
or
I'm saying that's what I'm saying. This so if you look at the NQ is much more. Triple Q is 0.4% up. QQEW is only 0.18% up. So it's mean that the if you look at the underlying stocks, Nvidia, they are all down. They are not that much up. So they are not up, but index is up. But equal weight index is down. So there's something more to it.
Alex is 15 MNQs. That is 1.5 MNQ. So Alex, you're doing dollar cost averaging on NQ,
I don't know.
MNQ.
I don't know what's this. How does it trade?
Yeah, because he started at 6 MNQs at 23716, and then he added three more, and then three more, and then three more. So it's 15 now. And 716. So yeah, he's up probably.
There you go. 6,500 taken.
Yeah, yeah. It's breaking R4, so it's going up.
We're gonna see that whether it can hold here or no.
It's if it breaks the previous high, then it is gone for 50 more points. Because
Yeah.
the previous high is at 7. Where is the previous high?
Here is 73.40.
Yeah, so it's broken that high already.
Yeah. Now the test is now, can it hold this breakout or is just gonna fail here?
Yeah,
So the high is 23,742.
now it broke that. Went to 54, 54, yeah. Yeah, he secured his target. Alex is doing good. Alex, great job.
Yeah, good job, Alex. And this spike also ES is a for almost 66505. Definitely it's not the lower high, it's basically making a new high.
Yeah, it's a new high. So now it's 800 is in play now for sure. Um, of course, nothing is sure in the market, but 800 is in the play today
Mhm.
because it broke all the top side. Now 30-minute high, 5-minute high, 2-minute high, everything.
That's it.
And R4 also it broke.
Failed breakout.
Not sure. Maybe because it is just consolidating, maybe.
No, it came down below the below previous high.
Yeah, below the previous high.
Let's see what next candle does.
Yeah. There are no orders, so yeah, I can't see anything. Meta is high, Google is high, Amazon is high, Netflix is high. They're all green. Oracle is high, GE is high.
Yes, coming down.
Yeah, I know. It's not. It has to get support at R4. If not, then yes, it can go down. But there's no market, no, there's no order at the top side. So yes, it can go down for sure. It has orders on the below. Below R4. Oh, they brought a new order at 42. Maybe spoofing. They brought it and then removed it. But this was a good play, I guess, above R4 up to the break of the high. Yeah, this is again a failed breakout, looks like.
Yeah.
Unless it bounces off the 21 on 2 and 9
No, I
on,
think it's done now.
yeah.
Where is the next order?
There's nothing. And the one at the, I can only see one at the top, 3735. There's nothing on the bottom side, so they must be, they must be just they can keep selling now. So it broke 6500 too.
Yeah, and then come back down.
Yeah. So game is over, I guess, right? The upside game.
I think so. I'm shorting it here if you wanna short. Um, I'm gonna short under 64.92.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
Come on, go under the low. Come on, retest at least. Come on. Don't ditch me again. Come on. It's already two-time ditch me, right?
It's a pre-market low that it's holding for whatever
I
reason.
want this to break pre-market low. Come on. Come on, just move. Yeah, I'm in the short, yeah. You didn't hear me short? I said short. Come on, a little bit more. Come on. Don't pull back. No, don't pull back. The NQ is coming towards the VWAP. Come on. That's not a good. Come on. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Again, it's just gonna kill me. Come on. No. Please, no. Just a bastard price action. It's again moving back. Yeah, what's happening, Vivek?
Yeah, I think the order book is little balanced, so there's no imbalance, right? So it's just doing up and down.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's no entry yet. I'm waiting. 6,500. Yeah, yeah, but not enough what I was looking to.
If it again breaks the VWAP, then yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, I'm out basically. I think it's very strong right now. It's holding both VWAP. So it was just a 5 minutes move, 11 to 11:25 basically. Well, I think we should close it. I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow. Then Monday's market off. Then we're gonna see you guys on Tuesday.
Yeah, see you Tuesday. Have a
Yeah,
great day.
that's gonna be a resting week then.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Bye.